Alright, the next part of the tutorial is creating the strut, and it's going to be similar to what we did with the cube in that we're going to create a new part, and we're going to call it strut. You don't have to call it strut 100, just call it strut, and we'll take it from there. So if you go to Creo, and we'll go File and New. We want a new part. We're going to call it strut, and press OK. And I'm going to turn my datum planes on because I turned them off for the last video. But for this, we're going to click on the right datum plane and use the top as the reference. And we're going to create a circle, and we're going to make it 8 for the diameter. So to do that, we're going to click on the sketch tool. We're going to come down here to find the word right and click on that, and you can see right is my sketch plane, and the reference we need is the top. So for the reference here, we're going to click on that and click on the word top, and we'll hit sketch. Now we're ready to sketch. So I'm going to click on the circle. I'll move my mouse to the center of these lines here, where these lines meet, and click and just draw a circle of any size, and click again, and there's my circle. Now I'm going to click on the arrow tool, 1x1 tool, and it's going to get really small because right now it's 211. We need it 8, so type in 8 and press enter. You can see I got really small on us, but we can use the refit button. It'll zoom it in for us, and so there's our circle. And hit the blue check mark when you're done. So I'm going to rotate this around. You can see again, not too much, nothing fancy here. We need to extrude this, and to do that, we're going to use the extrude tool, and we're going to do a couple other things here to make it what we need it to be. But we're going to make this 90 in length. So we're going to hit the extrude tool, and again it just extrudes on one side of the datum plane. So we need to come up here to this pull down menu and say extrude on both sides of the sketch plane, and change the length here to 90. And again, it makes it takes it off the screen, so just hit the refit button, and there's our part of our strut. So hit the green check mark, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to sketch again, and we're going to sketch another circle. This time it is going to be a diameter of 12. So we'll go back here to Creo, and I'm going to hit the sketch tool. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to find the word right, and in front will be the reference, and we'll hit sketch. And we'll click on the circle and move the circle to the, or move our mouse to the center. Click and make this circle bigger than the previous circle. And we'll click again and click on the arrow tool and change this to 12 for the diameter. There we go. And now I'm going to hit the blue check mark and rotate around. You can see my circle that I just drew is in the center of the previous part of the strut, which is what we want. And we're going to hit the extrude button, and again we're going to go to this pull down menu and extrude on both sides of the sketch plane. And then we're going to click on this. We're going to change this to 70 and press enter. Zoom back just a little bit. You can see that it's not quite as long as the other one, but that's what we want. But it's going to make this a bigger diameter. So we'll hit the green check mark, and we'll take a look at what we have, and we're getting there. The next video will deal with making this look more like the finished product, and we'll go through a few new features such as the revolve and how to remove some material, and that'll be